Hello students, in this video we are going to see numericals on quantum mechanics. The first numerical is calculate the wavelength of de Broglie wave associated with mass 2 kg moving with a speed of 10 raised to 3 meter per second. In this numerical, mass is given, that is 2 kg, velocity is 10 raised to 3 meter per second. Planck's constant having the value is 6.62 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule second, and we have to calculate wavelength. The formula is, according to de Broglie, the wavelength of matter wave lambda is equal to h upon p, but p is equal to mass into velocity, therefore lambda is equal to h upon mv. By putting this value, that is h, that is 6.62 into 10 raised to minus 34 divided by 2 into 10 raised to 3, we get the answer 3.315 into 10 raised to minus 37 meter. Therefore, the wavelength of de Broglie wave is 3.315 into 10 raised to minus 37 meter. Next numerical. An electron have a wavelength of 2 angstrom. What is their momentum? In this numerical, wavelength is given, that is 2 angstrom. First we have to convert this wavelength into meter, that is 2 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Planck's constant having the value is 6.62 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule second. We have to calculate wavelength. Again the same formula we have to use here. Lambda is equal to h upon p. First we have to convert this formula into p, that is p is equal to h upon lambda. By putting above values in this equation, we get p is equal to 3.3 into 10 raised to minus 24 kilogram meter per second. Next numerical. Wavelength associated with an electron of energy 100 electron volt is. In this numerical, energy is given, that is 100 electron volt. First you have to convert this energy into joule by multiplying it 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. So the energy is 100 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. We get energy in joule. And we have to calculate wavelength. The same formula we have to use here. Lambda is equal to h upon p. But this formula we have to convert into energy. So the energy of the electron is half of mv square, that is kinetic energy. Therefore m into v square is equal to 2 into E. By multiplying it m on both sides, we get m square v square is equal to 2m into E. But the value of this mv is p, therefore p square is equal to 2m into E. Therefore p is equal to under root 2m into E. We have to put this value of the p in this equation, then we get lambda is equal to h upon under root 2m into E. By putting this value in this equation, we get the answer 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter, that is 1.2 angstrom. Therefore, the wavelength is 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Next numerical. The speed of electron is measured within an uncertainty of 2 into 10 raised to 4 meter per second. The minimum space required by electron to be confined in an atom is. In this numerical, uncertainty in velocity is there, that is 2 into 10 raised to 4 meter per second. Mass is given, that is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg, and we have to calculate uncertainty in its position. In this numerical, we have to use Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, that is delta x into delta p is equal to h upon 2 pi. And we know that p is equal to mv, therefore delta p is equal to m into delta v. And therefore, by putting this value in above equation, we get delta x into m delta v is equal to h upon 2 pi. And therefore, delta x is equal to h upon 2 pi into m delta v. By putting this value, we get the answer 5.79 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter. This is the uncertainty in its position. Next numerical. An electron is confined to a potential well of width 10 nanometer. Calculate the minimum uncertainty in its velocity. In this numerical, uncertainty in its position is given, that is delta x is equal to 10 nanometer. Therefore, 10 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter. and we have to calculate uncertainty in its velocity. Again the same formula we have to use here, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Delta x into delta p is equal to h upon 2 pi, and therefore delta x into m delta v, value of delta p is equal to h upon 2 pi, and therefore delta v is equal to h upon 2 pi into h divided by 2 pi into m into delta x. By putting this value, we get the answer 11.5 into 10 raised to 3 meter per second. And therefore, the minimum uncertainty in its velocity is 11.5 into 10 raised to 3 meter per second. Next numerical. An electron is traveling at right angles to a uniform magnetic field of flux density 1.2 millitesla with a speed of 8 into 10 raised to 6 meter per second. The radius of circular path followed by electron is. In this numerical, magnetic flux density is given, that is 1.2 millitesla, and therefore it is equal to 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 3 Tesla. And the velocity is given, which is 8 into 10 raised to 6 meter per second. Mass is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg, and the charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, and we have to calculate the radius of circular path, that is r. The formula is r is equal to mv by be. By putting this value, we get the answer 0.0379 meter. Next numerical. A charged oil drop is suspended in a uniform field of 30,000 volts per meter so that it neither falls nor rises. Find the charge on the drop, given its mass as 9.75 into 10 raised to minus 15 kg. So in this numerical, electric field is given, that is 30,000 volts per meter. Mass is given, which is 9.75 into 10 raised to minus 15 kg. Gravitational acceleration is 9.8 meter per second square, and we have to calculate charge. The simple formula we have to use here, force is equal to electric field into charge, that is E into E is equal to M into G, and therefore E is equal to mg by capital E. By putting this value, above value, we get the answer 3.185 into 10 raised to minus 18 coulomb. So this is the charge of the oil drop. Thank you.